Hi guys, in this video we discuss about operators. In Python we have seven types of operators in Python. Those are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. We'll discuss about these operators briefly in next lectures. In this lecture we discuss only arithmetic operators. Okay. First of all, what is operator? Operator are used to perform operations on variables and values. For performing any operations on variables, you must require two variables. You must require two variables or more to perform any operation. So, first we discuss about arithmetic operators. What is arithmetic operator? This arithmetic operators, as you know, that the arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, flow division. I will show you each and every example how we have to use this plus minus into division modulus exponential flow division. Okay, first of all, let's declare a equals to just take 10 and b equals to 5. Okay, for your understanding purpose. Next, print a plus b. Next, print a minus b. Print a star b. Arithmetic question. Print a divided by b. Division. Next, print a modulus b. Next, print a star star. It means that it's exponential. In further videos, I'll tell you about how to use math module so that you can understand easily. Print flow division. See here. Let's see what is a plus b. You get 15 here. You get 15. Next, what you get here? We'll get 10 here. 10. Next, what you get here? Next, you will get 10 into 50. You will get here. Next, you will get 2 here. A modulus b. How much you get? Here, modulus operation means we get here remainder, not the quotient value. Here we get remainder, only remainder, not quotient value. We get 0 here. Get 0. And a star star means a power 10 power for its value is this is you get. Next, a float is and b means here you will get only quotient. Quotient also in the form of only integer, not a float. So how much you will get here? 2. Let us see the output. What you get what? See 15, 10, 50. Okay, sorry, it's 2.0. So 2.0 is 0, 10,000 next 2. I think you understand this arithmetic operators. These are operators we use daily, just used for common purpose. And these operators are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operations. Okay. Also, next video we discuss about assignment operators and different type of assignment operators. Next video we'll discuss. I think you understand the arithmetic operators perfectly. Okay. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and please share to your friends.